Logos, logos, logos. So many of them out there. Did you know though that you can categorize them down into groups? There are different ways to describe certain designs of logos, and we're going to talk about them today, or I'm going to explain to you the different types of categories. The first category that you'll have with a logo is the basic symbol or icon, iconic type logo. This type of logo represents a brand in a simple but bold and confident manner. In most cases, the image is abstract or stylized. You'll generally find these types of logos for large brands, brands which serve the whole world. The reason behind that is that if you serve the whole world, you're going to be serving populations who have different languages, different traditions, and you need your brand identity to be recognizable quite easily without having to understand words. So having a symbol or an icon is ideal for those types of businesses. Examples of those businesses would be Apple, Shell Oil, or the Nike swoosh. Those are all symbols and they work really well. Next, we've got the word mark. Now, the word mark is basically what it says. The logo is made up of a word. In these cases, what you will find is that the brand will create their logo, but they'll create their logo using a unique font. They will have a designer write the name of the business, but they will do it in a font that isn't available anywhere else. That keeps uniqueness with that design. They won't just jump into Microsoft Word and use Arial or Comic Sans. No. Examples of wordmark logos would be Coca-Cola, Facebook, and eBay. They are all wordmark logos. Next up, we've got the letter mark. Similar to the word mark, but a lot shorter. Letter marks will generally use the initials of a company. There could be a few reasons for that. It could be that the company's name is really long and is just not going to fit well as a logo. It may be that the company's name is quite hard to pronounce. So, as we said about the symbol, it may be that the company has is a German company, has a long name, and is quite hard to pronounce for people from other countries. So what you do is you take the initials and you shorten them down and you make a logo from that. Examples of lettermark logos would be Hewlett-Packard, HP, His Master's Voice, HMV, and IBM. The next logo category is the combination mark. Now, a combination mark utilizes a word mark and a symbol in one. So you kind of have the best of both worlds there. You've got adaptability. You could use the symbol on its own, or you could use the word mark on its own. There is a danger though. You would only really do that if you have a well-established brand and you've spent a fair bit marketing your logo so that everyone knows what it is, it's instantly recognizable. Only then would you be able to really take these two separate elements and use them in their own situation. Because you'd have the confidence that people would know what it is. But it gives you adaptability for different marketing situations, print, digital, screen, all that sort of thing. Examples of a combination mark logo would be Pizza Hut, Adidas, and Burger King. 3 good examples there. And the last category of logo is the emblem. Now the emblem is quite similar to a combination mark. You'll have the company name and you'll have a design. Not quite a symbol though. The reason it's an emblem is that the company's name is fully encapsulated within the design. Think of it more like a shield or a crest with the company name inside of it. Examples of that would be Harley Davidson, with the name fully in the middle bit with the shield, BMW, and Starbucks. 3 examples there of emblem logos. If you've got any questions on any of these categories of logos, I'd love to hear them and I will make sure that I answer them. Just pop them into the comments section below. I'm looking forward to future videos. We'll delve again deeper into logo design, and we'll also delve into brands and what brands are exactly, the elements that make up a brand, and we'll also look at more design. Thanks for watching.